Hi everyone, my name is Google and today I'm going to show you how to get more interactive wallpapers on the Lively Wallpaper app for free. So let's get started. First, open up your browser and search for JavaScript background effects. What we are looking for is the templates for interactive backgrounds that are used in websites. Let's go to this site and see what we have here. Find a template that you like and click on the download link. I like this one. Let's download it. It seems that an account is needed to download this template. So if you don't have a CodePen account already, create a free one. Then sign into the CodePen account. Then click on the export button in the lower right side of the page. Then click on export.zip. Then save the file to the computer to download the template. After the download, open the downloads and extract the downloaded zip file. Next, open the Lively Wallpaper app and then click on this Add Wallpaper button. Then click on this Open button and then browse to where the zip file was extracted to. Open this folder and then open the dist folder and select the index.html file and click on this Open button. Then give the wallpaper a name, let's say Space Travel. And then click OK. Wait for a few seconds. That's it. Let's take a look. See, it's that easy. Now let's add more interactive wallpapers like this into this app. Cue the montage. All the links to the wallpapers shown in this video are given in the description below. That's it for this video. I hope it was helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below.